In a world where climate change has become one of the biggest concerns, the Danish capital, Copenhagen, has set itself an ambitious goal to be the world's first carbon-neutral city by 2025. In order to achieve this, daring innovations are being implemented into its energy system. One of these innovations is the Energy Lab Nordhavn project that has transformed a part of the new residential area Nordhavn into a full-scale living lab. The project, funded by the Danish Energy Technology Development and Demonstration Programme, aims to develop and demonstrate the energy solutions of the future, integrating electricity and heating, energy-efficient buildings, and electric power transport into an intelligent, flexible and optimized energy system. A significant part of the project is Hitachi Energy's battery energy storage system, supplied to Radius, Denmark's largest power distribution company. Installed in an urban environment, it is able to supply power to approximately 200 apartments in Copenhagen at the time of the day when the demand for power is at its peak. This technology is first of its kind in Denmark.
In the coming years, when we make the green transition and we integrate renewables into the grid, energy consumption and production patterns will change. I expect battery storage technologies to develop rapidly as we electrify transportation and as an answer to some of the key challenges we will face in balancing energy demand with production.
In the long run, battery energy storage systems are expected to play a significant role into building more efficient energy systems. When it comes to climate change, the city of Copenhagen is setting the best possible example for other cities to follow